Hello guys, very good day. I hope you all are doing well today. Welcome to Knowledge Power. Today I'm going to tell you how you can see the health of your hard drive. Normally what happens if you keep your PC somewhere that is not that cold place, so your hard disk temperature can increase and it starts giving you an error. And in that case, you may have to replace your hard drive. So let's see how we can see that. First of all, we need to go to our Google and then we need to search hard drive sampler. You just need to go there, open that software. These are the professional setup that is paid. We don't have that. And we can also use it, the trial version, that can help you to see how is the health of your hard drive. I hope it will be smaller. So guys, as you can see, my download is done. Now all you need to do, go to folder, open this file and then install it. Once the file will begin installation, you need to select the setup language that you want. Now you need to accept the agreement, click next, then next, and it gives you an option that there is already a folder. Because I used to have it, so I will use it in the same folder. Thank you. Now you can see it is about to install in a minute, and once it is done, you can see they will have an icon on the desktop. You can also launch it from here. Now let's see the condition of my hard drive. How is it? And we are going to use a free version, so we don't need to put so many things there. Okay, they are asking me to buy it, but I don't have enough money to buy and I don't need it. They are showing you ad, just close it. And now you can see I do have two hard drives. One of them is this one, that is 128 GB, I guess. Another one is Toshiba hard drive, that is, I guess, 1 terabyte. So you can see the health of my hard drives are 100%. It doesn't show the temperature here, but it shows health here. And there you can see what are the details of my hard drives in case you need it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video today. It's very informative, because sometimes what we need to do, we don't know how exactly the health of our hard drive and we keep on putting things in it, and later once it is cracked, we will have to, we face the problem for transferring a data. Please don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.